This is my We the People Justice slightly modified blue grips gold chain, and I took off all the stickers. Alright, let's start with the frame of the tire. Well, neon green frame on both sides. The seat, now let's go with the seat. The seat has a sword on it. And when I was deciding to get these grips, I almost got that Aaron Ross keyboard, but they don't look cool enough, so yeah. Let's check the sound. Very nice right there. Also, it's very easy to handle. Very easy to turn, very easy to pedal. Pedals. If you want to see my original, grips, my original chain, just comment below. We the People, right there. So yeah, it's pretty nice. Everything's salt. Mostly salt. Mostly everything's salt. So, thanks for watching.